Right guys, so I'm going to show you what I've got on the back from my non-ferrous. So the way my non-ferrous in tomorrow, I've got at the front, I don't know if you can see all them, you won't see them all because I've got them all boxed in. 8 push bikes, which I'm going to take to the push bike shop. You buy second-hand push bikes for scrap, and he does them up. I think they export them. We've got 8 push bikes, some aluminium there, then table and chairs all alley, and all down the side here it's my aluminium. This side awning, I've stripped the centre out of it, so that's all alley. I've got a little bucket of brazier, brass. What else have I got? Oh, bit of new tube in there. A bin of household cable, no plug. A bin of, well, it's not a full bin, it's about half a bin. Heavy copper. A load of lawnmowers. There's got to be at least, well, I've stacked them all there, you've all seen some all under there. I'd say 8 petrol lawnmowers and all the rest of my iron alley. Then we're going in the iron alley. Stainless steel sink, some stainless steel stuff behind the sink and down there. Some alley rads. A couple of batteries. 5 and 6 wheel discs. Electric motors. I've not got half as many as I had, well I've been having. I've still been picking the machines up together. It's all been like just steel I've been picking up, now machines. I know there have been many on the back of my truck, as you can see in my videos, but that's all I've got of the motors this time. So, just a quick recap. I've got push bikes on the back, well on the front of the truck, some alley on top of it, a load of petrol lawnmowers and a bit more iron to go with that. Alley down the one side, bin of heavy copper, bin of household cable, no plug, bit of clean tube in that bag, in there, some brazier and about 20 kilo, 25 kilo of brass, some batteries, some wheel discs and them electric motors. That's what I've got to weigh in tomorrow for my non-ferrous guys. Whew, I don't know what's adding money, if I'm honest with you. I'm going to say about max 400 quid. Not a lot this month. So yeah, look out for that one, that's coming soon. Okay guys, catch you in a bit, and as always, if you've liked my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Right guys, we're off to non-ferrous on the way over now. Let's go and see what we got on. Catch you in a minute. Right guys, we've arrived. Let's get this load off, see what we get.
Yeah, back with a ratchet strap all missing.
You're all right, bro.
Jump up.
Yeah, that's right. I don't want my cable back. pad on the table. Now it's just not fucking, because it all happens in the fucking pan. I have took all the inside deck out. That's all I like. No, that's all right, mate. I then now I don't know. Who's the name?
Lads.
Not yours?
The valley are you?
Get that strap off, lad. Please do remove all separate.
Separate, I think.
Yeah. Give it a time, stuck it. Look at all them segways.
Yeah, look at that. You've got the doors off, haven't you? Yeah.
Is that what? Yeah, I think that's the lock, lad. Go back on the bridge and we'll get behind the alley off.
Are you down?
Yeah, get behind the alley there. Get behind the alley for you. Right there, we'll go back on the bridge then. Drive on the bridge, come back there now. Right guys, I'm back with the ticket. Let's crack on and make a start. Brazier, had a bit of brazier copper, I don't have much of it. Had 5 kilo, at 5,900 a tonne. Had £29.50 for the brazier. Batteries, had 2 batteries, weighed 23 kilo. 520 a tonne, had £11.96. Brake discs, had 42 kilo, at £255 a tonne. I had £10.71 for them. Brass, what did I have on brass? 33 kilo, at £4,050 a tonne. I had £133.65 for the brass. New copper tube, 2 kilo. Look at the price of that, guys. That's gone right up. 7,100 a ton. I had £14.20 for that tiny bit for 2 kilos. And household cable plug free. I had 22 kilo at £2,250 a ton. I had £49.50. Heavy copper 98. I had 9 kilo, 6,400 a ton. I had £57.60. Electric motors. I had 54 kilos in one bin, £740 a ton, £39.60. Electric motors again. I had 119 kilos, same price, £740 a ton. I had £88.06. Let's just flip this over. Old rolled aluminium. I had 120 kilos at £1,000 a ton, £120. Iron alley. I had 240 kilos, £340 a ton. I had £81.60. And that's it, guys. And the price I got was, what's it, bad? I was a couple hundred quid off. It was £636.74p. That's what we got this month, guys. Not as good as last month, but hey, I ain't complaining. It's money at the end of the day and it keeps the food on the table. And as always, guys, if you've liked my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out massive, and I'll catch you on the next one.